Hello everyone, so I got this burned board. Don't worry, I'm just taking apart one part from the board. I don't need the whole board, it's only for parts. I need one pin connector for the bake right here, and I'll take it from here. Where is my... Let's see. Let's take the old solder out. Let me turn on the vent. It's stinky. Uh-oh. I think it's almost out. I don't think there's any solder left. Let me try to pull it out. Yeah, it's... There we go. Okay. So we got this part. That's good. So we got this part. Perfect. Now the resistor. That's good too. Now let's find out about this relay. T9V, so T9AV5L12. I believe I should have them. And look at that, it's the first one. But let me get a newer one. Was that it's 4-leg relay? I don't know if it's a new one. No, this one is not a new one, but yeah, this one should work okay. I'll test it as well. Let me see if I can find more. Nothing here, nothing there. How about this one? No. Guess what? This is the relays, I think. 16 amps, 240 volts. used one though, but we'll see. Nothing here, nothing there, nothing here. I think this relay should be okay. Let me just test it real quick. Usually when I put the stuff in the box, that should be a good part. Let's see. Coil is good. Actually, this one is 24 volts and I need 12 volts. Let me test this relay just to make sure. Maybe the relay is good. Oh, sorry. This is the legs. It's 1, 2. I don't know if I have this relay in stock. Okay. $16 amps, 240 volts. Half horsepower, 120 volts. 16 amps, 240 volts. How many legs this one is? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6 legs. Let me see this guy right here. How about this? No. $24 volts, and this one is 12 volts. That's not gonna work. $24 volts. So I just need 3 relays, and once I get them, they're probably wide available. I'm gonna finish the repair. 1 to 2 days. I told the customer tomorrow, but I'm missing 3 relays, and then I don't want to really take it from this board because the condition of this board is no good. So if you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take care.